Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, open up your preferred browser first. For me, it will be the Google Chrome. And on your browser, click on the search bar and type in hulu.com like this and hit enter. And after that you will be landed on this page. You can sign up for Hulu from here over here, but in order to log into your Hulu account, you can see the login option over here. Click over there and enter your email and password over here, and you will be able to log into Hulu account. And if you have forgotten your password or your email, you can retrieve it from over here if you click on it, forget your email or password. And there guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.